This is what I think happened. This probably $2.99 thing, cat toy. See that jerk off up there? Okay. I'm doing this with one hand, so pardon the jumping around and focusing and stuff. But it's this guy. Alright. So he's attached to a thing. And see, the cat's actually messing with it right now. Jerk off. You know how much money it cost me, cat? So basically, I'm thinking they must have pulled it like so. And that's probably all that happened. They must have pulled it over here. And again, sorry, I was trying to do this with one hand. And it must have hit, basically, sorry about the focusing, right there somewhere. That's not a scratch, what you're seeing there. That's a, oh, look at it, it's going to look at its damage. Oh, what did you cost Fran? Oh, about $1,000, thanks, asshole. Anyway, so that's my theory. It's the only thing I can think of. I have since moved that mouse toy thing to a door, so it won't be killing $1,300 TVs. And that's all I got for you. So just a warning that that thing is very soft, but it still did enough damage to render this panel useless.
What about my glasses? Well, you can wear the old ones with the crack in them until we get you some new ones. Okay.